Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to turn off message option on Facebook. First, we're going to open up our Facebook app. And from here, click on the menu option at the bottom right part of your screen. And scroll down a bit and click on settings and privacy right here. Click on settings. And from here, we are going to do a privacy checkup. So under the tools and resources, tap on privacy checkup and click on how people can find you on Facebook. Click on it and click on continue. From here, we can see who can send you friend requests. So we're going to set it as friends of friends. So make sure you selected that and click on next right here. And make sure that people with phone number and with their email address, it says no one right here. So click on edit and make sure that you have selected no one. And that is for both phone number and email address. Once you have done that, click on next at the bottom right. And for the search engine, make sure that this is off as well. If it's turned on like this, just click on the toggle button to have it gray. After that, click on next at the bottom right again, and we have done this privacy checkup. Here we're going to go back, scroll up at the menu page, and click on your profile to open up our profile page. From here, click on this three-dotted icon beside the edit profile and click on lock profile. From here, we can make our photos and posts more private in one step, and not all people can send you a message when you lock your profile. So click on lock your profile, and now we have locked our profile, and that will also turn off the message option on Facebook. And that is how you can basically turn off message option on Facebook. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.